Hi, I'm Reed with Lichtsinn RV. We're here with Ron, who just picked up his Revel yesterday. He's from California. Ron, if you just maybe tell us a little bit what brought you here to get your Revel, how your experience was, and how you plan on using it.
Sure. Came out to Iowa to pick up my factory pressed Winnebago, and I had concerns coming across the country to do that, and it was a very good experience. I'm so glad that I did it. I got to meet Winnebago techs, got to meet the people here. My training here, and I think it was training because I was here for a day and a half learning every system thoroughly, and it was great. I would encourage anyone who really wants to get the most use out of their vehicle, come out here and get the training. And I don't think anyone offers training at the facility here. Just beautiful, and people were prepared, and the vehicle was prepared, and in fact I got to test sleep it, and they even provided very freezing weather just to make sure that it really was a four-season vehicle, and it is.
Well, we thank you, and we congratulate you. And we wish
thank you, and thanks for working with me, and thank you for working with our the website and letting the online community that has a lot of questions. And Reed is great for going out, and with a phone call he'll go out there and go in the snow and measure, you know, how wide a certain area is, and he's done a great job for not only for me but the whole van life community.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.